Well, good evening guys, good evening everyone. I hope you're doing well. We return again in new video. A lot of people, they don't know how to do live stream like the big YouTubers and the big gamers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. I don't know. What's my call it? Call it what you call it what do you want, okay? There is an amazing app, there is an amazing program is OBS Studio, okay, OBS Studio. Okay, now I'm gonna click on the OBS Studio. You see this is the main theme on the studio. Now about settings, we go to the settings. Now we go to display captures. Okay, now we go to added. Yeah, we click on okay. Now we go automatic. Okay, now we select Zoe XL. Okay, I mean the size of the video and how is it. Okay, we click okay. Now after we do this, we go click on delete. Wait a minute. Now we go to the steps again. Okay, okay, you see here the main theme. Here you see the background is live. Now you can do live videos, live games, live movies, I don't know, anything you want it. This is the desktop audio and the mic too. When I talk in the mic, there is diagrams and something like that. It is so amazing. Now this is the quality of the video and the size. Of course, if you want to go live on the social media or stuff like this, now we go to the settings. Now to video. Okay, now this is the size. I will show us, of course, the first one. Yeah, it is the main. No, okay, this first one, it is good. Now the size horizontal. Okay, I will show, okay, this. Now this is the difference common FPS values. I will show 16 from my experience. Okay, now I go to the audio section. I will put the right settings. Okay, this is the M audio. Okay, line, the difficult. Okay, and the unit, the main unit stuff. Okay, speakers, everything is working. I click on the stream live. I will show the Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, rest stream, Twitter, web, show all. Okay, now we shows which app I'm gonna go. Okay, that's it, pretty much. This is it. I want to thank you so much for follow us. Don't forget to follow us and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Before this, you start recording from this button. Okay, and you are now officially recording the main screen. If you want to play games or want to do live horizontal, you do it in this way. And after all, I started recording. Now I will go to the PC and to the videos, and I will see my record here. Well, this is it, the result. Thank you so much for complete the video. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to add more things or more information like this. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it, and take care. Goodbye. Subscribe.